Class 4 English. Okay, let's start now. So today we'll start a new poem, that is unit 2. We'll do with unit 2 section 1. We'll start with unit 2, that poem. We'll start with poem. Okay, now Pumpkinhead, write the date, 1905. Pumpkinhead. Now see, these are also a poem. We brought a pumpkin big and round, okay, that lived the summer through, without an eye to look at things, and now it looks through too. Okay, now the poet. Who is the poet? Aline Fisher. Now he is telling that we brought a pumpkin big and round. They bought a pumpkin, means to buy. Bought means to buy. They bought a pumpkin, buy a pumpkin big and round, that lived, that stayed in the summer, that lived, okay, that growed in the summer through, without an eye to look at. Okay, we didn't notice, without an eye to look at, way of looking at something. Okay, we without an eye to look at means the way of looking at something, and now it looks through too, and now it has become so big. Okay, we did not notice first there was a pumpkin, now it looked so big that it looks as if it is a two pumpkin. Okay, it used to be all dark inside. Pumpkins is used to be dark inside. When growing on the vein, pumpkins grow in vein, it needs support. Okay, so they needs vein. The vein, in vein the pumpkin grow with support. Okay, that when growing on vein, but now it is totally now it has a toothy smile. Means showing all the, a broad smile with all the smile teeth outside, toothy smile, and face that is full of shine, means face that is full of joy. Okay, now it used to be on, pumpkin is used to be dark inside when growing in the vein. When they grow in the vein, they are dark inside, but now it has a broad smile. It has become very big, so it is smiling now. Okay, with all its teeth out, and it has shining face. It has become so big that it's shining also from outside. So the face is full of shine, full of joy, and it is shining. Okay, clear? So the poet name is Aline Fisher. Clear? These 8 lines, you learn the poem and you learn the 8 lines. Okay, learn 8 lines. So learn the poem and learn 8 lines. Clear? Now, this is a meaning. Toothy smile means a smile showing a lot of teeth. Face full of shine means a happy face, happy and a joyful face. An eye to look at. An eye to look at means a way of looking at something. Look through, to examine. Look through means to examine. Look through means to examine. Okay. Now, match the phrase to their meaning. Now you have to match the phrase now. Look after. Look after means to take care of. Match it. Write number 1. Look into. Look into means to inquire. Look into means you have to inquire, to take information about something. Look into. Look out. Look out means to be watchful. Look out. You have to watch. Look out, that is watchful. Look for means to search. I am looking for my book. That means you are searching for the book. Look for. To look up to. To look up to means to admire. Look up to means you respect or you admire, you like someone. Okay, look up to. So I am looking up to my grandmother. That means I respect my grandmother. I am looking up to my grandmother. Or that means to admire. That means you love and respect the person, so you admire. So look up to. That is number 5. So write 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. Clear? Now, what was the shape of the pumpkin when it was brought? What was the shape of the pumpkin? It was big and round. Pumpkin shape was big and round. Clear? What kind of change was seen in the pumpkin? Before it was, see, dark. Now it has a toothy smile and full of shine. Where does the pumpkin grow? Pumpkin grow in a vein. They grow in vein. Describe the face of a pumpkin. Do you describe the face of a pumpkin? Okay, how it is now? Where is the face now? Big and round, summer. They look, an eye to look, and now dark inside. Okay, and face that is full of shine. Face of the pumpkin is, it is full of shine. That's right. Okay. How does the inside of the pumpkin look? Inside of the pumpkin is dark inside. Dark inside. Inside of the pumpkin is dark inside. Clear? How does the inside of the pumpkin look? The inside of the pumpkin looks dark. Describe the face of the pumpkin. The face is full of shine. Pumpkin grows in a vein. What kind of change you have seen in the pumpkin? It has become very big. See, big and round, but now it looks as if it is 2. Now it looks as if it is 2 now. That is change. What shape of the pumpkin when it was brought was big and round? What was shape? Big and round. Clear? So the question answers. You can do in your school copy, English copy. You will do this one question answers in English copy. Okay. Now some rhyming words: round, sound, bound, found. Vein, shine, dine, line. Smile, while, tile, pile. These are rhyming words. You know this one. Say the following words aloud and tick in the box if the words sound similar. Right, similar. Ear, tick mark, similar. Own, no, not similar. Meet, neat, similar. For, similar. I, similar. Made, similar. All are similar, only this one is not similar. Okay. For today, this much. Next day we'll do words. Okay, now. So this one will be your homework. You will do this one in your copy, class 4. Okay. You are very big, so you can write the question answers. If you have any problem, I will send you the answers in the group. So now see. 19.5. What shape of the pumpkin was it when it was brought? The pumpkin was big and round. Short answers you write. What kind of change was seen in the pumpkin? Okay, the change now. Okay, change means it looks now to as if there is two pumpkin. Okay, where does the pumpkin grow? Pumpkin grows in vein. Describe the face of the pumpkin. Face of the pumpkin is full of shine. How does the pumpkin inside of the pumpkin look? Inside of the pumpkin looks dark. Okay, these are the answers. This one you do in copy. You click the picture and show me the group. Okay, and you will read the poem 4-5 times and you will learn the 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You learn 8 lines. Okay, learn to say the poem and learn to write the poem without seeing. Okay, 8 lines you do. Clear? With the poet's name. You write pumpkin head, write learn and write it and write Arlene Fisher. Okay, clear? All of you please do this one. This one will be your homework, and this one also. You write the question answers and send me. I will check it. Okay, clear? This question answers you will write and you will send me. For today, this much. Thank you.